India rolled out the red carpet for Pakistan's Prime Minister just last week. They returned our hospitality with hostility, backing a cowardly act on our Jawans. And now Pakistan has sunk to downright meddling in India's internal affairs by passing an absurd resolution on Afzal Guru's hanging. As pressure grows on the government to talk tough with Islamabad, how long will we treat Pakistan with kid gloves?
We showed them our hospitality on Saturday, and all they gave us in return is absolute hostility. Dastardly terror attack was carried out on Indian soil by terrorists from Pakistan on Wednesday. If that was not enough, Pakistan is now meddling in India's internal affairs, with their parliament passing a resolution against the execution of terrorist Afzal Guru.
Pakistan should accept the fact that India has been a functioning democracy for 65 years. There is a section which believe that he was wrongly blamed for it. Now this becomes clearly established that Afzal Guru was, therefore he has his support from his mentors in Pakistan.
But the Pakistan government's shameless move to pontify a convicted terrorist hanged over killing of 12 innocent lives, creating a massive furor in India. By defending Afzal Guru, is the Pakistan's parliament directly supporting the attack on Indian parliament?
It's a very conscious and deliberate effort to stoke the fires in Jammu and Kashmir, and immediately after this incident in the valley where 5 CRPF people were killed.
While the official response from India has been muted, cautious and unsure,
their assembly, they should address matters of their country, and they should let us address matters of our country.
Pakistan continues to be in denial, taking on India instead.
We have tried through creating hostility and animosity against each other. We have failed. So now let's give creating trust.
Can we forgive Pak politicians just because their elections are around the corner, forcing this grandstanding? Has Pakistan forgotten its promise to not to interfere in India's affairs in accordance with Shimla Agreement of 1972? While the chorus for a tough and a fitting reply to define Pakistan is reaching a crescendo, the opposition lashing out at the Indian government's approach to treat Pakistan with kid gloves.
It can't be. Now the UPA government is on test how it wants to deal with Pakistan. Pakistan is doing the same thing over and over again. So this is completely an internal matter.
With Pakistan openly provoking India now, will India give a fitting reply to Pakistan over the atrocious resolution? Should India also set up a campaign to expose human rights violations in Balochistan and POK as a countermeasure? Bureau Report, Times Now.